the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us then came and stayed? Not too many. I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling that I could.
Sure. There. How about now? Yeah. But can you hear on the Discord? No. Gotta figure that out. Oh my god! Wait, I don't get it. Testing. Wait, can you guys hear us? Ace is testing, so you can hear us. Are you guys pranking us? Huh?
No, some people can.
Testing. Who says that he can hear us? Testing. Hold on, let me do a poll. Oh no. Testing. Oh no. Testing. Yes. No. Testing. Can you hear us? Answer the poll. I'm about to get. Oh, Bear People said, should we just restart the stage? Well, sure. Okay, wait. You want me to start it? Did you already start it? No. All right. I'll do it. Start event. What the fuck? Testing.
Yes.
Testing. Hello.
Testing.
Hello.
Testing while riding on
Hello.
trade vaping.
Hi.
Testing.
What's up, everybody? Oh my god. They were trying to trick us.
Testing.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Welcome back to the stream.
Testing.
Welcome back to the stream.
I feel like no one's listening. Testing.
1, 2, 3.
Testing. You guys, I don't know if you guys heard, but they changed the economic events for today.
What a prankster. All right, time to say good morning to all my favorite, very sexy, cute, good-looking
So what would
people.
be a No News Monday is now newsing.
Good morning, Unknown. Good morning, GoFan. Good morning, Beginner. Good morning, Tapwater. Good morning, Kurt. Good morning, George. Good morning, Sean. Good morning, Adrian. Good morning, Kamara. Good morning, Yeti. Good morning, Terry. Good morning, Kanyesis. Good morning, Toasty. Good morning, Bones. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, Fastquash. Good morning, Opti, the guy who wins every single fucking giveaway we do. Good morning, Taylor. Good morning, Zulu. Good morning, Hammer.
Adri wins.
Well, it's actually both of them. They're like tied.
I feel like Adri wins more. Bro, the guy won 3 in a row.
High key. Good morning, Hammer Time. Good morning, Faith. Good morning, Eddie. Good morning, Dine. Good morning, Flex. Good morning, Casper. Good morning, TJD. Good morning, AK. Good morning, Not Available. Good morning, Star. Good morning, Benji. Good morning,
AK.
Good morning, Pills. Good morning, Underwater. Good morning, Kev Rico. You might just get here with that, Rico.
I don't see any news today.
And good morning,
Yeah, it's a No
Eric.
News Monday. I pranked you.
No News Monday, and we got PMI tomorrow, JOLTS tomorrow, new home sales tomorrow, ADP on Wednesday, unemployment on Thursday, unemployment red folder, and NFP and average hourly earnings on Friday, and consumer sentiment and inflation expectation. Basically, this week has a shit ton of news, but today is not one of those days.
I want to get it.
I didn't get the good morning. Good morning, Fusca. Huh. Now your life is complete. You're welcome.
I want to get in, guys, off of this 850, but a little no risk
Number
trade.
one, you're not sharing your screen. Number two, tell them how
No
you're gonna
risk
run the
trade.
fundeds today.
No risk trade.
You're not
Wait,
sharing your screen.
I'm in the trade. Wait.
You're not sharing your screens.
Well, you want me to lose on the trade or you want me to win on the trade? There we go, guys. There's a little popskis.
I understand. What am I about to do on my phone? I don't remember.
I want a no risk, very low trade.
I'm gonna post a story. Guys, if you're not following our Instagram, you should, because that shit's kind of banger.
Be up there.
How did I do that?
That test right there. I want to drop stop already in profit.
Ace of trades. Are you in a trade?
I am in a trade, but I'm about to get out right here.
He's green. Super green. And
Not
he's out.
super.
Welcome
But
to Prophub. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. All
I
40
know. Oh my god, everyone. Just shut up.
We're supposed to be the most transparent people in the world, dude. Like, what the flap?
Okay, then share your screen too.
I'm not in a trade or
Yeah.
doing anything, and I don't have the OBS
Yeah.
double screen recording of Trade Event and Trading
Then
View.
how can you be transparent if you're
Oh
not
my
showing
God.
it? That's what I thought.
Zulu, banger trade, $2.50. Hey, that is like
That's what I thought.
at least a burger at McDonald's.
That's what I thought.
This guy's a hater.
That's what I thought.
This guy is a hater, dude. Like, holy moly. We are about to hit 13,000 or 13,000. We're about to hit 12,000 people in the Discord.
That's what I thought.
Pretty banks. Pretty bangs. Join now for free. There we go. There we go. Posted a story. Beautiful. $2.50 after taxes. You get $1. No cap.
McDonald's chicken nugget. That's what it is.
Buenos dias.
Think about that.
Dialysis technician.
McDonald's chicken nugget.
All right, market's opening in 4 minutes. It's time to expose. It's time to
It's time to dance. I
It's
see
time
my
to
brother in
expose.
here. What's up, big brother? How you doing today?
Which one is he?
Kevin Rico.
I don't see him.
Kevin Rico.
He's not typing in the chat.
Kevin Rico.
Oh wait, that's actually him?
Yeah.
Oh, I already said good morning. All right, chat, be honest. Who traded Asia and whose accounts are cooked? And then on the other side, who
Kevin-
traded Asia or pre-market and whose accounts are banger?
Kevin Rico.
Flat as hell. Type shit, George. Traded Asia in green. All right, Eric. Not available, red. George, good morning, by the way. Good morning. Kel's neither. Toasty, pre-market green. Underwater Whales, did Asian got paid out. Scotty's green. Puska, no trades. Signa green. Sean G up 500 pre-market. Beauty. Zulu flat. You're a liar. You're up $2.50. Why you just capping to my face? Dialysis technician green, but the blood is red. AK no trade.
Guy thinks he's funny today.
Flex. I'm white. Congratulations.
Oh man, you guys want to hear a quick story before the market opens? We were
Sure.
benching, and John goes and he hits the rack, and he's still repping it out. I'm like, oh wow, who put that there? And like mid set, this guy's just shaking. He's like, yo, don't make me laugh.
Bro, I started dying. Like I knocked it and there was dead silence, and I knew like he was ready to say something, but he didn't. So I went for another rep, and he's like, "Put that there," and I started dying of laughter, and I couldn't do it, and he had to save me. I was gonna die. But it was pretty
Holy.
hilarious.
Wow.
Yo, chat. By the way, for all the people that were here Friday, we fully pranked Flamenco because he thought he won an account, and he was pissed that we didn't.
Bro,
let him
he
know.
was like genuinely pissed.
If you guys go look at general chat, Flamenco was pissed.
He was like, wow, who put me there?
Wow, I'm over here. I'm a mod for you guys. You don't let me know when I win an account. I was like, you didn't win. Get
Yeah.
ranked.
We're like, relax, buddy.
But he-
Staff isn't even allowed to win.
But he thought it was funny. He was like, wow, I'm dying of laughter with a 5 days delay. Yeah, we didn't let him know.
AKA, he wasn't laughing. Whoa, that sounded like a Hellcat.
Oh, you can't even pick it up?
Flaquiz, how you doing this day? Happy
My
Monday.
favorite dialysis technician, Miss Carol.
My technician has always been conspicuous. What?
Is it based off your contention?
I don't know. But anyways, how you guys doing today? What'd you guys
yo,
do
wait.
this weekend? Oh my
Let's
god.
real quick. Markets open in 30 seconds. Let's have a open print. What's it called? Let's have an open print. Guess. What do
Long.
you think? I agree. Okay.
If we can hold above 65. If we can't, I actually do think we can go retest 800, and
I
if not,
fully
more
agree.
short.
I fully agree. If we don't hold 65, I think we're gonna go to that bottom wick at 788. I can't even lie. Schlongs, Toasty, what you know about some schlongs?
Toasty knows a lot about schlongs.
See, man, come on, brother.
She knows
Come
a lot
on.
about schlongs. That girl, holy.
We should prank. We should prank someone again.
It tested
Oh, there's the
65, tested
65.
70. Whoa.
Are we gonna
She's
hold the
going
50?
aggressive. All right, let's get with it.
Get with it.
You got to get with it or get lost.
Time to trade, ladies and gentlemen.
We are also back on the account for. Whoa. She's testing up. We are back on the funded accounts for the challenge. A hold of 65. I would love to go long. That puts us. I'm burping up a storm. It puts us above our previous day POC and our weekly anchored VWAP. A lot of structure that was created.
Yeah.
So those were a nice test right there. In premium, we did call along at 800. It did get tapped out after pushing 36 points, came all the way back down, and then pushed all the way to 80. But I got tapped out prior, hence why we're currently up on $100.
Hold on. VDV said he's late. Banned.
Current positioning that I want for the challenge is going to start off with 2 micros, work up to potentially 4 max. But again, it's not really necessary, especially since all we really need is $600 hairs for PvP.
There is wow, what a beautiful like open print analysis.
Yep, could not hold 65, tested all the way at 80 and flushed all the way down. 810 is also one of my Fibonators, as you guys can see right there.
Fibonators.
So literally want to go test my fib and nice pop off of it.
I'm banned or you're giving me a band? Would you like to be my guitar player? But that was a beautiful call for a short. Remember, guys, we're not financial advisors, but you can fully use us as confluence. Wink, wink, nod, nod. I'm not telling you to copy trade us. But if you're going to buy any props, make sure to use code PHUBIZZLE, baby.
Which will always give you the best discounts.
100%.
Like, Ram, spit it off. Unmute yourself. Tell them what the discounts currently are.
Or just tell me and I'll repeat everything you say.
There you go.
Tell me, quick. Tradeify, 40% off. Lucid, 40% off. Apex, 90% off still. Top one is 50% off. Alpha is 25% off. Take Profit is 40% off. And Trade A is 30% off. Congratulations, everybody. And Trade Sinker is 10% off. You know who loves Trade Sinker? Site. Or does he use another one? No, he uses Trade Sinker.
He's a trade sinker.
Yo, is Site here? How many accounts are you running right now? Copy traded. I swear last time I saw it was like 41. It was something pretty fire. Bro, copy trading like a shit ton of
A
accounts.
test of
makes it so
810.
easy.
I actually don't mind, but the risk would have to be like 87.
Honestly, a long off of 800 would be nice.
I'm saying even 810. That's my fibbies.
I can see that. We have our monthly anchored at
Whoa.
807.
Or you can just do that.
Also.
Yeah, that's cool. Awesome.
Some quick
It did,
movements.
but
baby.
I wanted it to retest the retest.
Oh, guys, officially today, literally guaranteed after the office, we are actually going to go and give all of the charity money to sick kids. So thank you for everybody that donated to the charity. 100% of the money is going to sick kids. Plus, we are
Well, it's like 105% or 110%.
Yeah, because we're adding 10% on top of the total, which is banger. And then we're going to start our next one. The only reason we took so long is because we were busy. We were busy, and every time a day went by, it was like, wow, we should really do this.
It was literally just straight. We're not going to say laziness, but busyness.
No, it was definitely busyness.
With mixed in with a little bit of laziness.
But I'm excited to get the next charity going. For real, Prophub is for the people. We make people money, and then we give away the monies. This still looks short. 850 retest.
Know what I noticed? I
Potential?
actually shouldn't be live right now.
I'm gonna wait. Good morning, Sep.
Why is not a singular person on?
The TikTokies?
Getting very upset.
Everybody on YouTube and on Twitch, make sure to join the Discord, baby. It is 100%
really
free to join. Plus, it's way easier for us to keep track on the Discord chat. Plus, it's fun to talk shit to not available. Ha! Got him.
Getting really upset.
Right, chat?
Guys, it's just me and Lazaro in here. You know what that means?
I'm not even on there.
I'm very upset.
I'm not even on there. I'm about to pop on there right now.
Then, if that's the case, I'm not on Discord. Bye. Yeah,
Don't do-
guys are getting scared. No,
Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm joining the trade. I mean, the live.
you guys are getting.
Guys, we are just
scared. No.
chilling right now, waiting for that nice banger trade.
You guys are getting scared. No.
VDV said, check again on the TikTok. Remember
VDV.
when we did giveaways only on the TikTok? That was banger.
Yeah. Guess what's about to happen today?
I wonder what's gonna
Yeah,
happen.
were you guys here for on Friday? Friday's stream was so bangerific definition.
yeah,
it
Friday's
made
stream was
all
actually
the girls go loco.
They were super.
There's
Super
A10,
loco.
by the way. That just got tested and it pops 10 points. All right. Maybe I should have a limit order there. What do you guys think?
I think
I still like the long.
a limit order would have.
1,000% got filled.
Yeah, Fusca, you don't need to watch it through the TikTok. Just have the TikTok open and watch through the Discord. Unless you're on your phone.
I
then
don't mind
understand.
starting off with a light position, literally one Mikey.
One Mikey long.
Yeah, one Mikey long.
One
One Mikey long.
I understand.
M&Q, is it finally working today? Nope.
I understand.
Work.
Now, my indicator,
There we go.
my custom indicator, which is an absolute banger, doesn't really have any levels around this area. So this is probably not going to be a banger indicator trade today. That one on Friday was super banger.
Boom, boom, sht, boom, boom, bada, boom, sht.
Expecting longs or chop. Yeah, today is definitely not one of those days where you want to go super heavy, especially a no news Monday with a lot of news this week. I'm not expecting too
Yeah,
much.
I'm expecting some chop city.
Yeah, there'd have to be like a pretty expensive move for me to start liking it.
There's a
lot more.
little 20-point move for y'all, though. If you guys want to start moving up your stop, you guys definitely can. If you guys want to start trimming, you guys definitely can. I literally entered in with one micro. There's that 850
Banger
test.
ace.
Moving my SL all the way up now.
Banger ace.
And I'm okay getting tapped there.
Beautiful.
Little tiny moves. Literally 35
Beautiful.
points.
Who took that? I know somebody here took that shit with minis.
35 points.
Don't even try to hide.
And it wasn't my fill at my 810, which is what I really wanted. Literally 10 points more. Hence why I sized down on that. But I'm okay. Not too shabby.
Boom, 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 boom.
Starting the
Boom,
day
boom,
off nice,
boom, boom,
slow.
boom. Oh yeah,
and
not available.
steady.
You were
Look
in
at
the
that
TikTok?
take. Look at that take.
Dum, 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 dum. Wow, what a take.
Look at the take.
Dum,
Look
dum,
at me dance. Look at me dance. Look at me dance. Look at me dance.
Yeah, like look at these candles. I would definitely recommend everybody chill out for a bit. You know,
Guys, I broke my chest.
what? Yeah, you did a whole stack on fucking. That was actually crazy.
I broke my chest.
I can't lie. There was somebody at the gym though, stinky.
Oh, no,
my
two.
god.
There's two stinkers.
Was it both or was it just the guy? Because he was around the whole time.
Because that girl, whenever she opened her legs, it smelt wet. There's one with BO and one that smelt wet. It's very, very stinky. No, like wet as in like musty, crusty. Not like the smelling of like the fish market, more like the smelling of the musky. Like you guys ever go to like, or like, oh, here's a really good example. When you guys do laundry, right? And you leave it in there a little bit too long before switching it over to the dryer or air drying. That's what she smelled like. She smelled very musky. She smelled like freaking, like there was probably some mold overgrowth on her shirts. Yeah, exactly, Buffett. You spelt that wrong, but it definitely smelled like mildew. Okay?
Buffett. Oh my god.
Definitely smelled like mildew. So that's what she smelled like. And I'm just looking at John like, I have a big nose. I can smell her from all the way at the office.
Moister than an oyster.
Yes, definitely moister than the oysters. And next thing you know, we move over to a new position. And then there's this guy, jacked as shit. Oh, wow, nice muscles. It doesn't mean shit when you smell like that, brother. Ain't no one want to go close to you. And I think he knew he smelled like shit because after every one of his sets, he would like go to a corner and like chill on a rack. He was literally like chilling on a rack all the way in the corner, away from the exercise, like the workout he was doing. So I'm like, I feel like he knows he smells like shit. but he's still here to get his gain. So like I understand. But literally, John, he was like, "Holy Wowser, Bowser!" And John runs away and goes to like where Rams is working out because me and John were working together. Holy shit!
You know what's funny? Exactly how we are on stream, we are literally just like that in
IRL.
public and in real life.
Guys, he literally goes.
There is no put on stream.
John does his set. He looks at me and he says, "Wowser, Bowser," and he walks. He just runs away, and I knew exactly what he was talking about. It was the worst workout day that we've had since, and we were just in a silly, goofy mood the whole time.
Holy.
We were just laughing.
Yeah, no, that was funny.
Holy.
Also, Kels, what are you in? Are you still in a short? I know Kels right now is like twipping.
Hey, twipping.
He's twipping during the chop list, but it's okay. Listen, honestly, my whole thing is regardless of whether I say the market is shit, don't trade. If you have a system and you're following your system, then good shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cry. What am I watching on my chart? You're watching a No News Monday. Open. You know what I mean? We need to wait for good PA because what's the point of trading and being in a trade if the trade is dog shit and makes you lose money? You might as well just not fucking take it.
NMM.
You know what
I'm
I'm
not
saying?
finished writing. I'm editing.
What are you saying? Today is No News Monday.
Done it again. Mildew.
No news.
Today is
no-
mildew. If we can still position
Stinky.
above 65, then it
we
meets
go.
my criteria for an entry. But
I'm not gonna lie. I'd want to. Yeah.
oh,
No, like
is
I like-
that so?
okay. I was gonna continue. I like 65, but I do want above opening print.
There we go.
You know what I mean?
And I don't mind taking my entry from here. Just got to be a little careful now. There we go. 73 fill. And I was screened for 1 second.
Sucky for a bit.
Seki for a bit. I would obviously prefer the 65 entry, but again, taking 10 points afterwards. It is what it is when it is what it isn't.
Looking for a better way to get a better bet instead of getting on the internet. Huh?
What?
What? My entry for this long is kind of shit, but it's okay.
Ooh, that wasn't bad. Another one, guys, where it pops up just a
What's he
bit.
doing?
That was what, 15 points from entry.
ES is lacking.
65, it needs to hold. So that's the level criteria I'm going off of. And
I'm in light.
me too. I got 2 Mikeys.
Me too.
2 Mikeys per
Two
account.
micros. 2 micros long.
I'm SL'd all the way at 40 right now, basically like 39, letting it breathe. That 50, I actually like.
I'm not gonna lie.
I was going to add in.
30.
Actually wait for the hold of 65.
Mhm.
Actually.
I have my SL30. SL30 in the longliest.
Mine is still 39.
Just with this wiki movement, I just like giving that little extra
Little
room.
breather.
Little
yeah.
breather.
Like 36, 50,
Oh, brother.
34. That makes the most sense.
In the locks.
That's that wise. 34 adjusted, guys.
ES needs to go for a pop. No.
Definitely
No
going for a
doubt.
negative R here. Like I'm looking for PT of less than 900.
I can fully see 900 though.
Yeah, me too.
But like earlier, like 890.
Definitely need a crack. That 65 hold though.
890 is not bad. I'm also low key tripping. I had coffee this morning and I'm
Tripping,
drinking a
tripping?
Monster. I think there's too much caffeine in my veins.
He must be twipping.
All right.
I really wanted it to hold that 64, as you guys can see. That's your London low. So a position above there would be nice because then that's also your, or it was your previous day POC that was sitting it right there.
We held monthly POC. And we're both weekly anchored. So I still do like it, but I would say this candle would need to flip for sure.
There's 65. That was my entry criteria. Entered 8 points afterwards, which was lame. Was hoping for a nice momentum push, which I mean,
Yeah.
it gave us an extra 15, which isn't horrible, but
AK is up 80 on one micro. W Mans.
the thing is, it is what it is when it is what it isn't.
Is that no cap on God, bro? Who's fully caught up with the boys?
Me.
Banger.
Guys, John really didn't believe I was watching The Boys, so this guy gave me a test before
Yeah.
Rams came into the
Look,
office.
you know
one
why?
day.
Because I gave you like such a specific question from the
Yeah,
episode.
but then I answered it afterwards because it was still your question was skewed.
No.
Yeah,
No.
you acted as if it happened, but it didn't actually happen.
Why? Because
I don't want to spoil.
Okay, whatever.
I don't want to spoil. Don't
Like,
make me
I feel
spoil.
I feel like it was just obvious enough to like know what I
No.
meant. You don't think so?
And you also you know how bad I am with names, guys. I couldn't get one name right. I even forgot Homelander's name.
What did you call Soldier Boy? You said
The American guy.
yeah, the American guy.
You mean Homelander? No, the daddy, daddy American.
American Daddy.
What was the question?
Dude, I
We
like
can't
that suck
ask-
up off weekly.
We
Anchor,
can't
by
say the
way.
question, otherwise I will spoil it.
Yeah,
It is above 65.
Down south the weekly anchored. I do like
We
that.
are green. I've done it again. Closing here. I've done for the stream. It was
I
a
like
suspense.
that.
No, it actually wasn't a suspenseful moment. It was guys. Just think of the dream.
Yeah,
If
the
you
dream.
watched it, just think of the dream. But
Okay,
he didn't
Okay, I have one. Think of the turkey leg.
think.
Come on.
No, I get it. Think of the behinds.
Just think of the turkey leg. You know
Think
what
of
I
the
mean?
behinds. That's
Yeah.
all we can say.
Yeah.
Turkey leg and behinds. That's what he had asked me.
Exactly.
There we go. There is a little pop skis once again. There's 10 on the board. And our open looks like it's at 90. So there we go. Honestly, I wouldn't mind taking a trim there and just holding through.
I was literally just saying, or I didn't say anything, but I was, I was thinking.
When
about
did you say that?
I said
It's
nothing.
very interesting.
I literally said nothing.
I literally said nothing. That wasn't bad though, guys. 16.75 points. Yeah, it's baby points, but
more than
it
that. I want to see
is
it close above
a
83.
no news
85.
Monday. And here we go. There's a little pop skis.
All right, I'm in profit now.
I am taking a trim. Boom, filled. And I'm just holding that last one.
I got
You got blood
half
in
my
your veins.
position at 76 after that trim, and then the other half at 67.
There we
Go
go.
Oh
Nice.
yeah, nice pop.
There we go. Little
W
something on
long.
the board.
W long. Who took that long?
All right. From here, if we're really looking for an extension, I want my golden zone, as you guys know. So 318 all the way to 330 or 937. Sorry. So 918 all the way to 937. If we can break that 900. Otherwise, that 900 should be relative PT for y'all.
Yeah. All right, I got
So
trimmed
I don't
out.
even mind if I really want to moving that SL to BE, but it's one Mickey. So I'm just gonna chill. I need to pee.
All right, W Mans. Who took that? Who took that long? Let's see it. Let's see the testimonials in the chat, baby, and then put it in the testimonials channel. That was a very, very easy, simple long. Other than making the decision to not take that trade for whatever reason, if you did want to non-financial advice, us, there was a lot of time for that entry. Very, very easy. W Adam G up $268. Kells up $414 across 5 accounts. Adri, did you get one tick? Damn. It's okay. I still think we'll pop after that suck up. I mean, low key though, we did close below that 83, 84 that I wanted. So we will see. But W, let me see the testimonials chat.
Just that I have to talk about.
Something disgusting just happened?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on real quick. Toasty up $256. We got Buffett. Look at his portfolio. $172,551, up $22,700 in the past month. Remember, chat, we also got long-term in Prophub. You want to build your future
There's
portfolio?
20 again.
Can. Ooh, and lunch money. Toasty, $344. Ooh, look at Eric, $201. Fawaz, $202
Oh, yeah, look
on
at
3
Adri.
accounts.
Look at Adri.
Where?
That's one of my
Well,
favorite.
I'm looking at the testimonials chat, so I can't see Adri.
Adri, look what you've done. You've done it again.
I'm not even gonna look at the other chat. Ooh, dialysis technician. Look at that. $670 across 4 accounts. Oh
She's
my
done it.
god. Printing on those accounts. Good
Okay.
shit. Carol? Scotty up $1,561. That is
Ooh, that almost touched
$1,561.
my SL. It's about to though.
Adri, it hit my trim. Yo, W$33. You know what I'm saying? You take your trades, you take your trade.
Take your trades.
Yeah,
Take
look
your
at that.
trades.
Rejection off that 83.
Take
I
your
said
trades.
we
You take your
needed to
trades.
close above it for it to do a nice little pop.
Trade.
Carl is printing. Who's Carl? Is that Carol's brother, Carl?
Huh?
Mm. Huh, man. I cannot wait.
Wow.
Chat.
If that continues to hold 65, I actually might get in again. Yep.
I do not mind that at all.
Oh.
I do not mind looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet. What?
Yadi 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 yadi.
Yadi yadi. Yadi yadi yadi. What's ES doing? Ooh, yes, yeah, I like this.
Right. What I'm saying.
I actually like this.
Run it back. I'm gonna run it back.
Run it back.
65 guys, and there's already 20 off of that add-in.
Run it back. Run it back. Run it back. Let's get a nice poppy.
Dun, dun.
Get a nice poppy. Break that 85, baby. Go crazy. Break it, lady. Break it. Break it.
Break it down.
Break down.
Oh yeah.
I do want to see above 83.
Break it down.
Break down. Bump. Come on. See a
Ask
pop.
child
Pop that
please.
85. Pop that 85, baby girl.
Yep.
Pop that 85, baby girl.
Asking while receiving.
Little more than that. Little more than that, baby
And
girl.
I should be dynamic since my PT is literally at 94 for the one add-in from 65.
Yeah.
So starting to be dynamic with it and take me. Yep, took me. Nice. Good job, guys.
Is that your bestie? I'm gonna ice both of y'all like Gretzky. Did we get a close in? We did. If this candle holds that 83, 84. No, it's more 84. If we hold that 84, I think we'll definitely go for 900. For sure. Can I get a boom? Boom! 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 Yo, should we get the Rizzler on stream? Yo, you think Prophub has aura to get the Rizzler?
I don't know about the Rizzler, but the Grizzler.
Can we get the Rizzler?
Grizzler.
Yo, does anybody have connections with the Rizzler? DM us if we do. No? Baby girl, NQ diverging. I understand.
Whoa! Got tapped out on that last one.
I understand. Baby
Nice trade though,
girls.
guys. Nice trade.
Oh, that 84, man.
As long as it can keep holding 50,
Did we
I'm
even
actually
close above
so
84?
happy with it.
We did by 1 tick.
Does it hold 65 again, guys? Does it give it to me again?
It's very interesting.
We are literally sideways though, so please just be careful. Don't be looking for an insane R, especially with sideways movement. Makes zero sense.
No cap dizzle.
What the fuck is this guy yapping about? There's 65 again. Would need a close, otherwise I'm not touching it.
Otherwise, other guys have fries.
What? That was sus.
You have got to be kidding me. But like, I
6, 5,
I like
4,
it. I just don't like
3,
the rejection
2,
off that.
1, closed.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Oh my god.
That closed. That closed.
Production.
There's that 3-minute close. There's that close. That what? Back. I'm ice. Oh yeah, like Gretzky.
But after this trade, I'm actually gonna put a poll. Actually, I'm gonna put a poll right now anyway.
Get nasty. Impress me. How many holes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love?
I like to know where a chat is at. You know what I mean?
If I knew what you meant, can I see you dance? You twerk? Can I see you outside of work?
All right, chat.
Coming down.
Answer that poll, baby. Ooh, look at
That's
David up $234,
Doll hairs?
$214 on 1, 2, 3,
W.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 account.
40.
Oh, but 4 out of
Ooh,
those
she's
12.
coming
3 out
down.
of those 12 is 120.
Might
Bro,
get
that's
tapped
still
out
so
here,
banger.
guys. 40. That was the same SL as last time.
That is still so banger.
Might get tapped out. Oh, I did get tapped out.
All right, we got
For it to hold 50 again?
most people are green. Banger. You should be. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir, boy.
You should be. More people green not in a trade. Got some people green in a trade. We got one person red who's not in a trade. One person. Oh,
Is
I
it
put
just
not in a trade
Okay.
twice. Bumbaras. Sorry.
Hey,
And then one person BE.
there we go.
Yeah, this PA is super wiki.
It's so, yeah, it's not the best for sure.
Yeah.
I actually might turn red here if this comes all the way back down to the bottom of that wick. Been trying to trade like range up to range down, but you still get those wicks that extend.
Yeah.
So this fill is at 61, just shy of my entry criteria from 65. And I was going based off of the weekly anchored hold, guys. Went for a nice test of it, held it,
I understand it now.
and that was a nice pop.
I understand it now.
I understand it now. I'm grown.
100%. I understand it now.
So it just needs to keep holding 64.
Oh my god. W Carroll. Look at that entry.
Was it based off contention?
That entry was actually based off potentials. 840 entry.
W.
W Carroll. W contention.
W. There it goes, guys. There's the pop.
840.
Oh, yeah.
Ha! Putangina mo.
Hey,
Is it based off my adobo?
with that hold, honestly, I really like it now. Like, I don't even mind.
This looks like it can go for a pop.
Yeah. We're still inside bar, though.
Yeah.
On the
I definitely want to see a close above 65, though.
1 and a 3 minutes, still inside bar.
Close above 65 on this candle. No, I like it. I still like it.
There's that 80. Good catch, though, guys. Nice little pop skis.
I still like it, baby girl. JJ hit the craziest beer pong shot I've ever seen in my life on Saturday. Yeah, it's actually true. It's pretty wild.
Oh, you had beer too, huh?
No.
Failed to say that one, huh?
No, I didn't have beer, but I played beer pong.
Hmm.
Just know that. That was insane. It was like
As
off the wall, off the ceiling into a singular cup.
long as this can hold, I like it.
Yep. I agree.
Hit that.
Tell me why. Ain't nothing but the
Ain't nothing but a thing, baby. Still testing that 65. Your London low open. Had a nice test of that weekly anchored and still holding above your previous day POC at 63. So again, as long as you can keep holding that 65, I am okay entering into the
I think
long.
if we get a pop above this candle, it's gonna go.
I have not taken any switch sides because we haven't gotten a real good close underneath that 50 or
Pop above
43,
85.
which is your weekly POC.
Pop above
Say
85.
80, yeah, 84. 84. I can get that added.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, chat. There's a lot of caffeine in my body right now.
Prove it.
I'm twipping.
Yeah, exactly.
Was
Where
it a
I'm
fluke
set.
or is JJ actually crazy at beer pong? Well, I also hit 3 redemption shots in a row, which was pretty cooked, and then we won. Ha! I'm kind of
Here we
nasty
go,
sometimes.
about to get our fill, and I could get dynamic with that instead.
I agree.
There we go. Getting dynamic with it instead.
I agree.
What is that?
I don't know. I heard a noise.
Yeah, me too. I heard
We're
that.
getting pranked.
we're being pranked.
Come on, we gotta break this 84, baby.
That's nice. And does that come back down to tap me? I'm literally at 79. It should be at like 78.25. Oh, I got tapped out on that add-in.
I don't want to see.
So I'm still in with initial position, which is 2 cons, 2 Mike Realises. Oh, there we go. And
Did I get tapped? Oh, I did get tapped for
now
one.
it's time to definitely get dynamic with that 300. Let's see if we can crack that 300, guys. Otherwise, a trim there is
was
not
a
bad
banger.
at all. Yeah.
That was actually a banger.
Not 105, just 5, please.
See that flip and push.
Okay.
See that momentums.
And
I have a hourly
moving
CE at
SL to
904.
BE. Nice catch there, guys. That is a total of basically 40
Oh, that's the
points
900.
from initial position.
What's
Even got an
doing?
add-in there as well.
I really think there's potential to break this 900, but it needs to happen like now. No cap dizzle. Otherwise, this just looks like a shitty rejection.
If we can break 900, I'll get another add-in again, because then that puts us above our open print.
That's just retesting the bottom of one of my zones, so I actually like it. Not available said, Carl cooked.
Let's go, Carol.
And then Carol just said, Carol.
Carol said, Carol. She's dashing through the snow.
On a one horse open, what?
Play.
Over the hills we what?
Go.
Laughing all the what?
Way. SL's at 63 now, so net
would love for this
green
to pop from
overall
here.
position. Why is this not going?
Absolutely love it to pop from here.
My shit doesn't want to work.
Looks like we're rejecting out that 900. Where are we gonna close though? We're gonna get a suck up?
Hey, that was our PT, so I don't know. All I know is my SL is at 63, which is net green from original position, which was at 61.
Good shit. Good shit. W trade. Very nice, very kind.
Bum, 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 bum.
Can I say Carl, please? Not available. Why do you want to call Carol Carl?
Yeah,
Just call her dialysis technician.
call her by her name.
Her name is dialysis technician.
Call her Dancer, Prancer.
Isn't it crazy how one vowel turns her into a girl? Carl could be some fat fuck who eats McDonald's all day, and Carol.
Whoa,
could
whoa,
be
whoa,
so
whoa!
bad
Why are
that
we
if
putting
you
genders
miss
to
the- oh,
names?
you're
How
a
about
cook.
Alex? Huh? Alex is guy girl?
Alex is a guy
Unisex
girl.
things? So why can't JJ? I have no JJ girls.
Do you?
Don't ask. See? I've tricked him now.
I only know one Ace.
I know.
I'm gonna name my daughter Ace.
Yeah, you
To
are.
turn you into a
And then you're
unisex.
going to be like Aceling. Acelin. Oh,
Acelin.
I actually know an Acelin.
Acelin is kind of cool.
I'm a girl, trust me. Oh yeah? Show me, bro. you won't do it. Show us proof here in office. I'll give you our address. Mailing address.
I feel like Carl is better than Carol. Also, Carl is easy to type. Bro, it's one letter. You're so lazy. That is ridiculous.
This is ridiculous. Not available? You know what? I'm going to call you no available. I've done it again. OT available. Overtime available.
Are you available?
You know what? Watch this. I got you guys. There. He wants it. I gave it to him.
What?
I switched his name.
Oh my god. He is now Carl.
You're welcome, Flaquis. I've done it again.
He said, no! You are Carl, and there's nothing you can do about it. Just know that.
What a pop to a nothing.
For real. We got the close too.
Got a pop.
But we
to
did
a
hit PT, so who gives a fuck?
Yeah, for real.
Type shit. Net green on the day? Who cares, man?
Oh, God, my shit.
Who cares, man?
Shit.
For real. Yo, I'm not. Okay.
Good conversation.
Oh, is my camera lagging? Hello? No, it's fine.
I'm still in some runners.
We good.
I literally have a singular micro runner. but my
We
SL
get
is
it.
at 63, right where this white line is.
Baby.
I saw y'all.
What? Oh my god, is my trade of 8 lagging? I'm scared.
Trade of Eight has been lagging, yeah.
It was lagging. I can't lie to you. Are we gonna get a pop off this 65 though?
And tap
Nope.
through.
We dumpied.
Tap through. There it is. I want to see if it can still hold 65, to be honest.
Very nice.
Yeah, literally tested 60. Pop straight up. But not bad.
Very nice. Very kind.
Are you Mexican? Because
Who?
you said jaja, not haha.
Who is a
know,
Mexicano? Papa Mexicano. Oh, nice. You've got to be what?
That was a nice test of the weekly POC and your previous day POC. To be honest, as long as it can hold 65, it is still good and valid for the long.
I agree. Colombian? We were just in Colombia. Wow.
Yeah, she told us.
Oh yeah, I do remember that actually.
Laquise, did you like the way we kept spelling Colombia?
funny.
We are not smart, bro.
That is actually funny.
Laquise was like, "Yo, you guys gave me AIDS." I told you guys several times in IG. There's no U in Colombia. What the fuck? See, Pasta's confused.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, it's because we're Canadian. When we put a U inside of everything, like
Yeah.
me inside of you.
Wow.
I've done it again. You're welcome, Pasta.
You also put the U inside of color. Where the puck, the function. Damn, this
That
PA
65 bounce
is
again.
so ass.
Give me that 65 bounce. Dare you? You won't do it.
This PA is genuine dog poo poo.
Do it. I dare you. You won't
Like
do
it looks like it wants to pop. I can't lie.
Yeah. Well, I took it long again off of 65.
I understand.
As long as it can keep holding it, I'm literally so okay with holding that position.
Where's your SL?
I don't even have one. I'm just showing you. It's
What?
that 43.
I understand. I understand. Do you spell color with an A or no U? With a U or no U? What? Yo, only Canada spells color with a U.
No.
Well, I mean, only America spells color without a
Yeah,
U.
there you go.
They spell it color.
How do they spell favorite?
Favorite.
Favorite.
I mean, like they could do
There we
it
go. Nice
way-
bounce catch, guys. There's 20 again.
They could do it way worse on us because we spell it fave hour it and cull hour. You know what that means? Come on, man. Let's see a continuation of that on some type shit.
Yeah, for real. That would be my trim point. I'm just gonna
That
get
90?
dynamic with my SL. Carry him. Little tiny win here. And drop. Whoa, I dropped and it did not take. Oh! Oh! I kept trying to drop it and it wouldn't take. Guys, who saw that? Who saw that? I kept trying to drop it and it did not take. And then it just lagged. Yo, look at my fills. One's at 100, one's at 26. How does that even make sense? Anyways, if it holds 65, I'm still. Look at John's face. We're doing that too. Yeah, John was in that too. Oh man, what was that, guys? All I know is I want still back in. Yeah, that definitely was a Cookerson. Just for it to reclaim fully.
Wowzers, Bowsers.
Just for it to reclaim fully. Wow. Word to mama.
Yo, hey, wait.
Word to mama. Say word to mama. Hold 64.
Yo, chat. That was
That was
crazy.
actually crazy. That definitely brought a lot of people right, and like understandably so. I try to get a re-entry off of that too,
How do I?
and it doesn't seem to be working out. So we'll see. 24 SL. John's still at a loss of words, guys. Look at his face. Oh man. Yeah, that was a cooked candle. Literally went from your
Dude.
opens all the way
Okay.
down.
Chat. Do you want full transparency right now? Watch this. Watch this. So, I was looking at my orders. Look where I've had my stop,
Where
right?
would that fill?
So my stop was at 87. You can see the high was 90. So I dropped it basically right when we peaked, right? On top of that, 87. Where is it?
Bro, I was trying to drop it the whole time.
Why doesn't it show Phil?
I tried to drop it 3 times. And you guys heard me say, I'm like, yo, guys, it's not taking. Next thing you know, pa-choom!
Oh, I can just show it from the arrow. Okay. So I had to stop at 87. Right, chat? Right, chat?
Right? Wow. And there's the pushings. Okay, let me get dynamic. Whoa. Not when you do that. Yeah, for real. Hold that 80. Let me get dynamic. What, just gonna get dynamically short again?
Yeah. Look at this. See that arrow? I had my stop at 87. See that arrow? Look where I got filled.
Okay, I'm dynamic. See, I don't mind actually being able to get a little looser. Fill, stop. There we go. There's that pop skis. And I'm just getting super tight now. Bang, and about to get filled. Limit. Whoa, now you don't want to fill me again? There we go. All right. Literally made back all of my losses, but you guys can see there's literal discrepancies on my chart, and I was trying to get filled that whole time. You guys literally heard me. That was wild. That was wild. What? What are you?
I got, dude, I had a stop at 87. I got filled at 45.
Yeah. Bro, I kept trying to drop it.
I actually got filled at
I
44.
literally kept trying to drop it.
That was
That's
crazy.
above- yeah, if this can hold above 900, that's a continuation. And nice trade, guys. Shit. Literally try to catch that bounce. Bounce it. Bounce it. There we go. And previous day high goes all the way to 917. So I'd watch out there. It's a few points shy from literally 5 points shy.
Good chat. Did anybody else get like
Yep.
filled
Fuck.
redonkulously?
Let us know. We're curious.
Let us know. I'm curious.
We're curious.
We're curious.
We're curious.
Did anybody else's fill them like 40 plus
Pretty sure
points
I got
lower?
shitty ass fills too.
Because that was redonkulous.
Well, look, there's a $30 or $60 discrepancy between my $70 discrepancy on one of my accounts.
Lost my early wins, but gained it all back on the long. Yeah, I got a
Yeah,
similar
same.
fill. I got wrecked on that drop. Yeah, you want full transparency. So I went like way heavier on the reclaim, and then I just SL'd in profits because my entry was 71, and then I added heavy at 77. And then I SL'd in profits. And full transparency,
It didn't SL in profit.
the eval is completely gone now. Wow, very nice, very kind. But hey, it is what it is. Sometimes the market just gives you a massive glizzy, and your fill completely cooks your risk management.
What was your
87.
Oh,
Yeah,
He was
my SL
literally
was
in profit.
87. Yeah, I was my SL was 87 in profit, and I got filled at 44.50.
I got filled at.
And it lagged.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
got-
It was fully lagged
I
when
actually
it did
got filled
that.
at 87.
Yes, and sometimes
When we
we touch, it always seems too much. It is what it is,
Hold that
man.
900, baby.
It
I actually
is
don't like this
what
position
it
as
is.
much anymore.
John,
No
I don't even want to be up here.
Capperson.
I know. And then it mooned all the way to what, 970?
On Friday?
Yeah. Oh no, that was last night.
Sometimes when we
Friday,
die.
legit.
When Ace and JJ touch shit like that happens in the market. What?
What did you say?
Oh, there's no comma. When Ace and JJ touch, shit like that happens in the market. It's like a
No,
connection.
you have to sing it.
Because
When Ace
sometimes
and JJ touch, sometimes that happens in the market.
Wait, I
Like
actually
that?
want to check. Was there news, Lias?
No.
I don't believe you. Yeah, nothing official, but I'm gonna check Twitter. How much you want to bet it was Iran?
Where did you run to?
I don't know. I got tired. What is it, like 4 minutes ago?
I can still see this thing popping off of a retest, but I don't know how deep of a retest it wants to go.
What time was this candle? 10:08.
We'll see.
10:08, which was 7 minutes ago.
That's what I was gonna say, man. Shit. I have too much risk. 64.
Times when we are touching. Wow, I actually don't see any news. What?
That's what I said. It just retested the open, the true open, and then flushed into
News.
that weekly.
News. Retail traders get liquidated. It could be a Trump grab. I didn't see anything. I would have seen a Trump
Trigger.
Yeah.
Trump trigger.
Yeah, he didn't post nothing. That was just one of those candles.
It was just one of those days.
It was just
Dun,
one
dun,
of
dun, dun,
those
dun,
candles,
dun.
baby. But that's the first time it's ever happened to me. Eh?
Getting wrecked like that.
Going from green to account blown when I had my SL in profit.
Oh yeah,
It's kind of redonkulous.
that's the market, Phils.
No cap dizzle. News. Toronto trader JJ Jones. John JJ Jones gets liquidated by a random red candle. But you know what's funny? I actually would not care if my SL wasn't in profits. Like if my SL was just down there, it's like, all right, I got filled where I got filled. But for my SL to be in profits and I got filled 43 points lower than I wanted to, kind of ridiculous.
Yeah, that is really fucked, actually.
It's kind of insanity. Sometimes when we touch. I do think though, if we hold above 83, we're definitely gonna get a push further. Ooh, look at my dialysis technician Carol up $1,000 on 4 accounts. See you all
W.
tomorrow. Have fun at work, Carol. I hope you dialyze a lot of people today.
What?
I don't know. I don't
What?
even know what a dialysis technician is. I thought like it was just
What does that even mean?
I don't know.
I don't know. I've done it again though.
I've done it again though.
You're welcome.
Load it. Drive. April 30th. Yo, production, did you upload Friday's VOD? I understand.
Oh, it's coming back down for a test.
Oh yeah.
Mm,
5-1.
where? Wait, 5-1 is more. No, I'm talking about April 30. Is not here. Oh, that's Thursday. My bad. Yeah, Thursday. Oh, he said. Wait, what? Sometimes we're touching. Well, what are you doing, Mr. Ace of Trades?
Still in that same trade, but I'm gonna remove that position I accidentally added in, and it just won't trigger. There you go. Finally triggered.
Good shit.
Good riddance.
Sometimes when we're touching, it always
Honesty
seems
is
too
too
muching.
muching. Yeah, I definitely don't like this position as much, guys.
Dallas's treatments are
I'm
for
gonna-
kidney disease. Oh,
I'm gonna SL to the bottom of that wick at 78, so I'm risking 20 points.
that makes sense.
Still super green, but
Thanks, production.
there we go.
Can you include the dates?
SL could go to 94 now. Again, watch out for 9. What was it? Previous day high, 917. There we go. There's the pop. And I'm SL in profit.
Dope.
There we go.
Nice,
guys.
Terrible. Carol is a freaking hero.
I think I'm done for today.
I agree. I agree on being done for today, and that Carol is a hero. W trades though. Other than that one candle, if you got cooked on a market fill,
W Venn
else was
diagram.
fire. And that's so annoying too. That would have been just like an easy green, like 12 points. For actually, what was my entry?
Good Venn diagram.
71 to 87. Like I was green. I would have got tapped out green 16 points on that. I would not have minded. But instead, it dumped.
Up 565. Nice.
Good shit, Bones. Yo, there was a
Oh,
book back when I was a child. The Bones series. Do you know
Oh,
Bones?
yeah. I do know what you're
It was
saying.
goated, man.
I do know what you're saying.
For yo, shout out all the people that know the scholastic fucking things they used to do at the school.
You know, it's so
Remember
funny
that
that you
shit?
bring that
The
up.
book
The
fair?
wedding I went
That's-
to, that was literally part of like the best man speech was the Scholastic.
No way.
Yeah. They're like, that's how we became best friends with Scholastic, trying to buy a Pokemon book.
Bro, book fairs
Getting
back when
those-
you were in school as a kid.
Big ass
Yeah.
erasers.
The Bones series, dub. All right, chat. Well, if you are green for the day, which I feel like majority of you should be, put it in testimonials. If you're not green, put it in lost lessons. You know, say the reason. Be accountable.
Be
Because
accountable.
I promise that if you're making stupid mistakes, after the 10th time of you letting the entire server know that you're being dumb, you might not do it the 11th time. You know what I mean?
Maybe. No
That's it.
promises.
And if you guys are gonna buy any props, make sure to use code PHUB. I literally have to buy one. I'm gonna decide which eval am I gonna run now. Very nice, dude. That's so annoying. I was like over halfway past on that too. Like I was probably gonna pass that one tomorrow, but shit happens. Even when you make all the right decisions and fully protect yourself, the market's gonna be the market sometimes. Lost lessons. Sometimes random wicks will cook you for real. But yeah, use code PHUB, get the best discounts. We are gonna go and give all the money to the charity today. When are we gonna start the new one? Tomorrow? Well, I'm not here tomorrow. You want to do it Wednesday? Actually, I think I could be here tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll start it Wednesday.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start the new charity on Wednesday, which is pretty banger. Also, if you're not following us on YouTube, make sure to follow us on YouTube. We're gonna start posting 2 long forms per week. This week there might be like only one. So, you know what I mean?
Post video of giving to the charity. We definitely are.
We definitely
Yeah,
will
we're
do
definitely
that.
recording for you guys.
Because that's all you guys. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be shouts out to all the people that donated to sick kids through Prophub.
Big
Very
facts.
Ace, do you have anything else to say?
Nothing. I'm happy with you
Nothing?
guys.
Yeah, when we post that charity video, because it's gonna be on the YouTube, every single one of you should like and share and comment, especially all of the ones that did donate to the charity. The only reason that video exists is because of you. So thank you. We love you all, and we will see you.
In daily breakdown, if you guys are part of premium,
And for the people who aren't a part of Premium, we
Then-
will see you.
then you need to make sure that you guys check the announcement because there's actually a big fat promo going on right now for
Hey,
our
we're running
yearly.
that. Yo, chat. Also, next week, major announcement on Monday. Actually, are we gonna announce it before the Monday? Probably on the Friday. We'll say what's happening on the Monday.
I say we just let them wonder for a whole weekend what's going on, and then we don't give them any time to think. And we're as soon as it hits Monday, they're like, "Wow!"
I'm gonna make an announcement on Friday about what's
Monday.
going on Monday, and then a lot of you guys are gonna be very happy. And then the week after that, or the weeks to come after that, there's a lot of changes happening. All the grandfathered people are gonna be very happy, and all of the non-grandfathered people are also gonna be happy. We tried making it a two-way street of happiness.
We love you guys. Bye.
We love you. Bye.